Today we're talking about something that can seriously clean up your browser and improve your device's speed, and that is deleting Chrome extensions. Maybe your Chrome's been feeling slow, maybe there's some sketchy running in the background, or maybe you just installed a bunch of stuff you're not using anymore. It happens to all of us. Let's sort it out together. So extensions are super useful, but having too many or the wrong ones can really mess with your browsing. Some extensions track you, some drain performance, and some are just flat out annoying. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to delete them the quick and easy way. Alright, let's jump in. So how to delete Chrome extensions on desktop. So whether it's on Windows, Mac, Chromebook, it's the same process. Open Google Chrome and click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right. That's your extensions menu. Then click Manage Extensions at the bottom of the drop down. This opens a list of all your installed extensions. Find the one you want to remove and then click Remove. Confirm by clicking Remove again when prompted, and that's it. The extension is gone. If you just want to temporarily turn off without deleting it completely, hit the toggle switch next to it. That's an easy way to test out what's slowing things down, and that's basically it.